Agents, welcome to Reese's Central inside Hershey Park. I am Commander Cup, head of security. Beginning summer 2019, our advanced facility will produce thousands of Reese's each day. The Reese's security team is responsible for keeping the factory secure. Together, we will ensure the world is never deprived of Reese's. The factory is powered by the Crystal Cup, which collects the world's love of chocolate and peanut butter, known as Reese's Spirit, and converts it into Cup Fusion energy. Mint the Merciless and the League of Misfit Candy have tried numerous times to steal the Crystal Cup for their own evil purposes. Agents, Reese's Central needs you. Are you up for the mission?